Good morning, health lovers. Are you looking for a simple, refreshing way to boost your health every morning? Well, today, I'll introduce you to something that's taking the wellness world by storm: Chia Seed Water. Stay with me as I break down the amazing benefits of drinking chia seed water in the morning, and trust me, you won't want to miss this. First things first, what is chia seed water? It's simply a mix of chia seeds and water, left to soak for about 10 to 15 minutes until the seeds form a gel-like consistency. But what makes it so special? Let's dive into the benefits. 1. Supports digestion. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. A happy gut means a happy you. 2. Hydration booster. These tiny seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, keeping you hydrated and energized throughout the day. 3. Packed with omega-3s. Did you know chia seeds are a great plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids? These help with brain function, heart health, and reducing inflammation. 4. Regulates blood sugar. Drinking chia seed water in the morning helps slow down sugar absorption, keeping your blood sugar level stable and preventing energy crashes. 5. Great for weight loss. Because of their high fiber and protein content, chia seeds keep you full, reducing unnecessary snacking and helping with weight management. Making chia seed water is super easy. Here's what you'll need: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of water. Optional, a squeeze of lemon for added flavor and vitamin C1. Stir the chia seeds into the water. 2. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes gel-like. 3. Stir again and enjoy. Give this a try for a week, and let me know in the comments how you feel. Have you tried chia seed water before? What's your favorite way to drink it? Let's chat below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy health tips. See you in the next video.